Hi everyone, we are group GB7 and for this video, we will be sharing about a really interesting topic which is value chain analysis in Coca-Cola's production process. So, the value chain is a concept introduced by Malcolm Porter and basically it shows how a company adds value to its product step by step from getting raw materials all the way to producing the final product. It helps businesses see where they can improve, save costs, and create something that customers truly value. The value chain is divided into two parts: primary activities, which are directly involved in making the product, and support activities, which help everything run smoothly like technology, procurement, and managing people. In short, the value chain helps a company understand how every process adds value to what they produce. Next, let's hear about the background of Coca-Cola Company.
Coca-Cola began back in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia. It was first made by a pharmacy named John Parbenton, and at that time, it was just sold as a soda drink in small shops. But today, Coca-Cola became one of the biggest beverage companies in the world, where every single day people enjoy more than 2.2 billion servings of Coca-Cola drinks in over 200 countries. That's amazing, right? Now, the company owns more than 200 brands, not just Coke, but also Sprite, Fanta, Powerade, Minute, and bottled water like Dasani. To make sure their drink reach everyone, these factories produce and bottle drinks near local market to ensure faster, fresher, and more efficient. So the question is, why is the value chain so important for Coca-Cola? First, we have efficiency, where with modern technology and automation, they can produce drinks faster and reduce costs. The third one is consistency, where no matter if you drink in Malaysia or in US, the Coca-Cola tastes the same because of well-managed production system. The third one is local connection, where working with local bottles help them understand customer preference and respond quickly to the demand. Lastly, we have sustainability, where Coca-Cola also focus on using less water and more recyclable packaging to protect the environment.
Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola makes and sells its drink all over the world? It's not simple as you might think. Their secret is a special partnership model called the Coca-Cola system. It's a two-part system where the Coca-Cola company in America makes the secret syrup concentrates, then the local bottling partners in countries around the world take that syrups, mix it with local water and sweeteners, and put it into bottles and cans. So, why is this a smart way to run their business? The answer is because it's fast and local. Imagine a factory in Malaysia knows what people in Malaysia like. They can get drinks to store super quickly and keep their costs low. You get the same great Coke taste, but it is made locally. It's a win-win. Now, let's go inside one of those local bottling factories. This is where technology takes over. First, they have a smart computer system called MES that runs the whole factory. It's like the factory's brain. It plans the production, tracks every single bottle, and makes sure the quality is perfect. And then, the factory floor is filled with machines and robots. These robots do all the hard work. They fill the bottles, put the caps on, stick the labels, and pack them into boxes, all at lightning speed. So, what's the result of all this technology? It means Coke can make millions of bottles at a very low cost. Every Coke you buy tastes exactly the same anywhere in the world. And they can do it on a huge global scale.
So, we have seen how big Coca-Cola is. But in the 21st century, being big isn't enough. You have to be smart. And I'm not just talking about smart marketing. I'm talking about factory that can almost think for itself and business that healing the planet. Let me break down how they are doing this with technology and sustainability. First up, the smart factory. Imagine a production line, but every machine is covered in tiny sensors. This is the Internet of Things or IoT. These sensors are constantly whispering data, and Coca-Cola use machine learning to listen. This AI can predict exactly how much Fanta or Coke Zero City will drink next month, making sure they produce just the right amount. No waste, no shortage. But here's the coolest part is predictive maintenance. The AI analyzes the sensor data and can tell before a machine breaks that a part is getting weak. It's like a doctor predicting a heart attack before it happens. This means they fix it during the scheduled break, not in the middle of a production run. This keeps their lines running smoothly 24/7, which is a metric they call Overall Equipment Effectiveness or OEE. It's all about preventing problems before they even start. Now, all that smart production is pointless if you are harming the environment, and Coca-Cola knows this. That's why they launched their World Without Waste initiative. Their goals are crystal clear, which is first, to make all their packaging 100% recyclable. And second, huge one is to make sure that by 2030, 50% of every bottle and can is made from recycled material. This isn't just recycling, it's a circular economy. Your old Coke bottle today becomes a new Coke bottle tomorrow. It drastically cuts down on a new plastic and cleans up our world. So, from AI-driven factories that never sleep to a deep commitment to a greener planet, Coca-Cola is using smart operation not just to sell drinks but to build a sustainable future. And that's how they stay on top.
So now, we are going to talk about the fifth point of Coca-Cola value chain, which is digitized supply chain and logistics. Some Coca-Cola have evolved to become more digitized and data-driven. They have implemented blockchain technology and also ERP, enterprise resource planning, into their system to ensure transparency, collaboration with suppliers, and a better, more efficient supply chain. The sixth value chain of Coca-Cola in their production is quality-focused productions. The safety at the post quality and safety policy of Coca-Cola and its bottling partner has stated that they must manufacture and deliver product only of the best quality and safety. They also have stated that nothing less than 100% of quality and safety is acceptable. So quality and safety is their number one most important priority. And also, Coca-Cola have KORE, which is the Coca-Cola operating standard. The standard has implemented many qualities and open standards for the quality and safety of the soda. They also have the TUDR, FSST 32000 and other requirements and standards for their product production. And the Japanese bottler arm has also indicated that the KORE is used for material procurement, distribution, and also manufacturing of the product of Coca-Cola. This is to ensure the global consistency for the Coca-Cola product across the globe. So the main important part of the KORE brochure that it stated the governance framework for the company is that they promote learning and innovation for their company. And quality control is not only for the top-down management, but it involves at all levels for the operation for quality and safety control of the product.
What is Coca-Cola's most valuable asset? If you say the secret recipe, you're only half right. The real secret between their success is their value chain. This is the machine that gets that recipe into 2.2 billion cans every single day. First, let's actually bust a myth. The Coca-Cola company doesn't actually make the drink you buy. Instead, they run a brilliant two-tier system. For tier 1, the company is the brain. It just creates the secret concentrate. For tier 2, it then sells that concentrate global partner of 200 plus bottling partners. They also handle the local production by adding water, carbonation, and putting it in the can. This is how they are both globally consistent and locally relevant. But how do you run a machine this big without it collapsing? Well, this is where their value chain becomes their high tech. They use AI, machine learning to forecast demand, so the right drinks are always on the right shelves. They use IoT sensors for predictive maintenance so that the machines are fixed before they ever break. And also, they use blockchain to make their entire supply chain transparent. They are doing it all while pursuing a World Without Waste initiative aiming 100% recyclable packaging. So, the secret formula It's not just a recipe, it's this high-speed data-driven, perfectly controlled system. And that is Coca-Cola's real value chain.